So hey guys, so I picked up this wireless charging pad because I want to get wireless charging in my car and didn't really want to spend like $300 for the OEM one. So I picked this one up. I'll put the link below. Cost $20. Another member on Facebook told me about it. Thought it was a great idea. I'm sure you can get a ton of different pads out there. This one seems like it'll do the job. I hope it does. I'm hoping to plug it into a USB and then I can just drop my phone on it and not have to worry about plugging it in. It won't work with CarPlay, of course, but I use Bluetooth audio, so we'll go ahead and put it in the car and I'll show you how it goes. So guys, so I installed that charging pad and I put it in here in the center console. I was going to put it in this part like the OEM one, the OEM charging pad, but it's just such a pain to try to get to it with this shifter in the way. I mean, maybe if I had like the push button transmission, it'd be a little bit better idea, but it's just so awkward to try to get out of here. So I installed it in here and it works really good. So I have it right now, it's plugged in, wire runs through this hole, and I just have the little adapter that plugs into the power outlet and it has 2 slots for USBs. And I just have this plugged into one. Now I tried a Samsung wireless charger and it didn't work. So I don't know if this pad uses something different, doesn't require as much, I'm not sure. But that one wouldn't work. And then I contacted the company and they said it won't work inside a car. So this one works really good. I like it because I was gonna buy the OEM one and install it myself, but that, even the part alone, I think it's like $200 or something. It's crazy. And then it has to be shoved here. Like I said, you can't really, for me, I think it's kind of inconvenience, but I like it in the center here. So yeah, all you do, I'll put it on here. You should see a light go on. See that little red light go on? Okay. Then, phone. So then you'll just take a phone here and drop it on here. Start charging. Take it off. And it doesn't have to be centered. I mean, it's almost the same size as the phone too. So I mean, you could put it way back here. But that won't work. So it has to be a little bit. There we go. So if you can see this light with your phone on it, I don't think it'll charge. It has to be a little bit more centered than that. So just like that. So I thought it's pretty neat because I always wanted to be able to charge it wirelessly, not have to deal with always plugging it in and having it here. Only negative is you can't use the Apple CarPlay. You can't have it plugged in at the same time. But I know a lot of people use it. I personally don't use it all the time. What I'm going to do is have it charging here, you know, and then you just keep it all the way. And then I go onto here and then I just use the Bluetooth audio is what I use. And then it goes to my Pandora and I play it. If I don't ever really need to use the GPS on here, if I did, then I'd plug it in, of course. But I like it because it's out of the way. You know, you just have it here. As you see, it's charging right there. You know, very easy to get to. I like it. And with this cubby I bought, highly recommend this thing. So it holds it up, so it's not sunk way down the bottom. You know, very easy. And they have different configurations too. I might get a different one of these trays. They have one that, let me just shut this off real quick. It's annoying. They have one where this open tray goes to the top and then this little cubby's in the back. So I might get that one. I mean, these are only like $10 just so then I could have the phone like right here. That's what I'm kind of after. A little easier to get to since this thing doesn't go that far. It's kind of awkward. So I like to be a little closer up here, so I might order that one. So then this charging thing will be up here more, and then this little cubby will be toward the back. So the phone will be more accessible here. But other than that, it's a great idea. I would highly recommend this over getting, you know, spending if you get it installed, it's probably $300 or something. That has to sit in here. You know, then if there's an issue, you have to rip apart this dash again and do all that. Where this, it was 20 bucks on Amazon. Free shipping, got it one day, Prime. And it's very slim, if you see it. Very slim. It's a built-in fan. Keep it cool. And I just put it right in here. And then just tuck the wire. But like I said, I'm almost positive I'm going to just get the other tray, you know. But I mean, this works, you know, right there. Looks fine. I just think it'd be easier if the phone is up here when you charge it. So when you open this tray or this armrest, it's just right there instead of kind of sunk back. But other than that, you know, for 20 bucks, you can't beat it to wirelessly charge and not having to deal with plugging your phone in all the time, you know. But like I said, if you use Apple CarPlay, then that's one negative to it. But you can easily, I'm going to leave this cord here just in case I want to use it, but I think I'm always going to do that. It's out of the sun. If you had to leave your car, no one, you know, can see your phone, anything like that. So it's good. And it's like I said, it doesn't take up any room in there. And then this has, you can lift this up and store stuff underneath too. So if you guys want a solution to wirelessly charge your phone, I would highly recommend this. It'll charge all the Androids and all the iPhones, the newest ones. And it charges quick too. I had it in here for a minute and it went up 2%. So we'll see, you know, the longevity of it, but it shouldn't be a problem. And it's nice too, it's in here, it's out of the sun too. So it should stay pretty cool here, where this gets kind of warm, you know, if you drive for a long period of time. So I just never liked it. It's kind of a tight place to get into. So, you know, give you guys an idea. Hope everyone's doing good, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you.